Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some corned beef and cabbage, or bully beef and cabbage. I make some cabbage and bully beef, cause that me feel fat. Me take out some pork chops. Me season some pork chops from a week ago. Me take it out yesterday for thaw out. But me not feel for it. It just over there, so sit down right now. I think you cook rice and peas Wednesday. Me not feel for the rice and peas. Anyway, when me do cabbage sometime, I do the easier. Let me take this out the easier way for me. Let me take out the... So what I did was remove the core of the cabbage and now I'm gonna cut it up. You can use a knife to cut up the cabbage or you can use a potato peeler. It just depends on your preference. So I'm using a knife and I'm holding the cabbage in my hand. Guys, use the cutting board, please. This way is very dangerous. Sometimes we take up something as a habit and not realizing that it is bad, so we continue to do it. But this is not the right way to do it. Use the cutting board, please. So what I'm about to do is steam the cabbage, then add the corned beef. This was the way I was taught. So this is always going to be my preference, but there's another way to do it, and it's also on my page, is to fry up the vegetable, then add the corned beef, the vegetable meaning your onion, tomato, pepper, whatever you're using, whatever vegetable you're using. So you're going to saute that in a little oil, then you're going to add the corned beef, fry it up, and then you add the cabbage. But today I am going to do it this way. So I am just roughly cutting up the cabbage and then I'm gonna start the next process. So what I'm over here doing is washing the cabbage. So you can just sprinkle a little salt on it and just wash it. I am returning the cabbage to a Dutch pot, the pot that I'm going to prepare it in. So I'm just gonna add it back to that Dutch pot and then cut the vegetable on top. And the carrot optional. Them always say carrot take with taste from food. Me don't know. Me don't know about that. Me never experienced that yet. Like me I cook certain things I'm not a carrot my bakes. Like cabbage. So I don't know where them get that experience there from. But that is not my experience. Alright, so you see? So I go in with the onion. I remember I'm using a cutting board. Using a cutting board. I'm going to do half of the onion. People also say them to put tomato in them cabbage because it make it cabbage sour. But I don't know how long I make fully cabbage stay if it's sour. I make corned beef and cabbage. Cabbage and corned beef. Yeah, I don't know how long on the left for no. Cabbage for to make it sour. Then I'm gonna add some green bell pepper. Your phone it a ring. Your father. But yeah, you can't leave it out, but and if you're gonna eat it the same time, if you eat it the same day, it's not supposed to matter either. Yeah, it's cold so. Tap up the live, guys, tap up the live. This optional too, scallion optional too. Cause remember the onion, when I use onion and not have to use scallion, but I use them scallion because I don't want them. See them kind of get kind of flexy, I don't want them spoil. Tap up the live. I don't like on the style, you know. Thanks very much. We don't have to support the live because I'm go wonder if alright, so I'm a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Pepper and I use, you know. Thanks to the gift energy, thank you. I'm going in with some olive oil. Oh my god, we just like a barely pour some. So now we're gonna cover the pot and add it on the stove on low heat and make it steam. Now work out for me. I don't have a good angle just because I try. I'm trying, guys, I'm trying. I try to get my video while I'm on live. It's a tip. Alright. What we'll do, we'll take off the key. Right? We'll take off the key. We'll turn it upside down. Right? We'll put it on back. Squeeze down the clamp with it on it, right? And then we'll turn. That's it. You done with it? Some people say for board the top of the canned beef and it make it slide out, but I've tried that and that no work. Alright, so the salt, the canned beef you don't salt. I know some people love that, but it's salt. I didn't need the more salt. It don't salt. Steam it for another 2 minutes and then I add this salt, so you have to be careful. You have to be careful with this, it's very salt. So once you steam the cabbage to the way you like it, then you're gonna add the corned beef. I'll go in with some black pepper. And guys, remember, if you don't like ketchup, you can always add on the ketchup. I'm not add no ketchup because I don't like ketchup.